Are you struggling with low-commission affiliate programs that pay you $5 or $10 per sale? You're not alone. I'm going to open your eyes to a whole new world of possibilities. In this video, I'm going to share with you exactly what high-ticket affiliate marketing is and why it's so powerful. And most importantly, in this video, I'll give you detailed breakdowns of 3 of the absolute best high-ticket affiliate programs that are paying people thousands of dollars in commissions right now. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start your own high-ticket affiliate marketing journey. But first, let me ask you a question. Would you rather make 100 sales at $10 each, or just one sale that pays you $1,000? The math is simple, but most people don't realize that high-ticket affiliate programs exist and are actually easier to succeed with than low-ticket programs. This is going to change everything for you. So what exactly is high-ticket affiliate marketing? Simply put, it's promoting products or services that have price points typically ranging from $1,000 all the way up to $50,000 or more. Instead of earning small commissions on cheap products, you're earning substantial commissions on high-value offerings. We're talking about commissions that range from $500 to $10,000 per sale or even more. The beauty of high-ticket affiliate marketing lies in the numbers game. With traditional affiliate marketing, you might promote a product that costs $50 and earn a $5 commission. To make $5,000, you need to make 1,000 sales. That's a lot of traffic, a lot of conversions, and a lot of work. But with high-ticket affiliate marketing, if you're earning a $2,000 commission per sale, you only need 3 sales to make $6,000. The math speaks for itself. Now, you might be thinking that selling high-ticket items is harder, but here's the surprising truth: it's often easier. People who are looking to invest thousands of dollars in a product or service are typically more serious buyers. They've already decided they want to solve a problem or achieve a goal, and they're willing to invest significantly to make it happen. They're not tire kickers or bargain hunters. They're motivated buyers with real purchasing power. Another advantage of high-ticket affiliate marketing is the quality of the sales process. High-ticket programs usually have professional sales teams, sophisticated marketing funnels, and comprehensive support systems. Your job is to drive qualified traffic to these systems, and the companies handle the complex sales process. Many high-ticket programs even assign personal sales representatives to help close your referrals. The key to success in high-ticket affiliate marketing is understanding that you're not just promoting a product, you're promoting a transformation or a solution to a significant problem. High-ticket products are typically in niches like business, education, wealth building, health and wellness, personal development, and professional services. These are areas where people are willing to make substantial investments because the potential return on investment is enormous. Let me share the 3 best high-ticket affiliate programs that are currently crushing it in the market. These programs have proven track records, excellent conversion rates, and most importantly, they pay out substantial commissions that can change your financial situation overnight. The first program I want to talk about is the Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program. This is one of the most popular and profitable high-ticket affiliate programs in the online marketing space. Legendary Marketer focuses on teaching people how to build successful online businesses through digital marketing. What makes Legendary Marketer so attractive to affiliates is their comprehensive product ecosystem. They start with a low-ticket front-end product called the 15-Day Online Business Builder Challenge, which costs only $7. But here's where it gets interesting. This leads into their high-ticket back-end products that range from $2,000 all the way up to $30,000. Their main high-ticket products include the Builders Program, the Business Blueprint, the Affiliate Marketing Business Blueprint, and their highest-level Masterclass program. Commissions on these products range from $400 to over $5,000 per sale. But what's really impressive is their 2-tier commission structure, which means you also earn commissions when people you refer become affiliates and make sales. Legendary Marketer provides extensive training for their affiliates, including done-for-you marketing materials, email sequences, and even personal coaching. They have a dedicated affiliate support team and regular training calls to help you maximize your earnings. Their conversion rates are exceptional because they have a proven sales funnel that's been tested and optimized over years. The key to success with Legendary Marketer is positioning yourself as someone who can help people build online businesses. You don't need to be an expert yourself, you just need to direct people to their proven system. Many successful affiliates create content around online business success stories, entrepreneurship tips, and reviews of different business opportunities. The second high-ticket affiliate program that's paying massive commissions is the Six-Figure Mentors. This program focuses on digital entrepreneurship and affiliate marketing education. What sets Six-Figure Mentors apart is their tiered membership structure and the substantial commissions they pay. Their products range from a few $100s for their basic digital business lounge membership up to $20,000 for their highest-level mentorship programs. Commission rates are extremely generous, with affiliates earning between 25 and 60% on all products. The real goldmine with Six-Figure Mentors is their high-ticket mastermind and mentorship programs. These programs cost between $5,000 and $20,000, which means you can earn between $1,000 and $12,000 per sale. They also have a powerful recurring income component through their monthly membership programs. Six-Figure Mentors provides world-class training and support for their affiliates. They offer live training sessions, marketing materials, personal development training, and even luxury retreats for top performers. Their community aspect is incredibly strong, with successful entrepreneurs sharing strategies and supporting each other's growth. The company has been around for over a decade and has paid out millions of dollars in commissions to their affiliates. They have affiliates earning 6- and 7-figure incomes annually, which proves the sustainability and scalability of their compensation plan. Their focus on personal development combined with business training creates a loyal customer base that continues to invest in higher-level programs. To succeed with Six-Figure Mentors, you need to position yourself within the online marketing and entrepreneurship niche. Creating content around financial freedom, location independence, and online business success works extremely well. Many top affiliates share their own journey and results while promoting the education and mentorship that help them achieve success. The third high-ticket affiliate program that's generating incredible results is ClickFunnels Affiliate Program, specifically their higher-tier products and services. While ClickFunnels is well known for their basic funnel building software, they also offer high-ticket training programs, done-for-you services, and business coaching that pay substantial affiliate commissions. ClickFunnels has become the leading sales funnel software in the online marketing space. Their basic software has a recurring commission structure, but their high-ticket offerings include programs like Funnel Hacking Live VIP experiences and One Funnel Away Challenge coaching programs. They also have their Inner Circle Mastermind, which costs $25,000 annually. What makes ClickFunnels unique as a high-ticket affiliate opportunity is the combination of recurring software commissions plus high-ticket training and coaching commissions. Affiliates can earn monthly recurring commissions from software subscriptions while also earning large one-time commissions from high-ticket program sales. Their highest-paying affiliate opportunity is promoting their Inner Circle Mastermind program. This exclusive program costs $25,000 per year and affiliates earn a $5,000 commission for each new member they refer. They also have various training programs and live events that pay commissions ranging from $500 to $3,000. ClickFunnels has an incredibly strong brand presence and reputation in the online marketing world. This brand recognition makes it easier to promote their products because people already know and trust the ClickFunnels name. The company provides extensive marketing materials for affiliates, including email sequences and social media content. And even complete marketing funnels that affiliates can use to promote ClickFunnels products. They have an affiliate training program that teaches you exactly how to promote their products effectively. Success with ClickFunnels affiliate marketing typically involves creating content around sales funnels, online marketing, and business growth. Many successful affiliates create tutorial content showing how to build effective funnels, share case studies of successful online businesses, and review different marketing tools and strategies. Now, let me share some critical strategies for succeeding with high-ticket affiliate marketing. First, you need to understand that high-ticket affiliate marketing is about building relationships and trust, not just driving traffic. People don't spend thousands of dollars on impulse, they need to know, like, and trust you first. Content marketing is absolutely essential for high-ticket affiliate marketing success. You need to create valuable content that positions you as an authority in your niche. This could be blog posts, YouTube videos, podcasts, or posting content on social media. The key is consistently providing value while subtly introducing the high-ticket solutions you're promoting. Email marketing becomes even more critical with high-ticket affiliate marketing. You need to build an email list of prospects and nurture them over time. High-ticket sales rarely happen on the first interaction. It takes multiple touchpoints to build enough trust for someone to make a significant investment. Social proof is incredibly powerful in high-ticket affiliate marketing. Share testimonials, case studies, and success stories from people who have benefited from the programs you're promoting. If you've personally experienced results, share your own story authentically. Don't try to promote every high-ticket program you find. Choose one or two programs that align with your expertise and audience, and focus on becoming an expert promoter for those specific programs. It's better to be excellent at promoting one program than mediocre at promoting 5 programs. Invest in your own education and results. The most successful high-ticket affiliates are those who have actually used the products or services they're promoting. When you can speak from personal experience about the value and results, your promotional efforts become much more authentic and effective. High-ticket affiliate marketing isn't for everyone, but for those who are willing to put in the work to build relationships and create valuable content. Focus on serving their audience. It represents one of the fastest paths to significant online income. The 3 programs I've shared today, Legendary Marketer, 6-Figure Mentors, and ClickFunnels, have proven track records of paying substantial commissions to dedicated affiliates. Remember, success in high-ticket affiliate marketing takes time and consistency. Don't expect overnight results, but do expect that your efforts will compound over time. Every piece of content you create, every relationship you build, and every person you help moves you closer to earning those life-changing commission checks. If you found this video valuable, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell because I regularly share strategies and opportunities for building serious online income. Leave a comment below letting me know which high-ticket affiliate program interests you most, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll dive even deeper into advanced affiliate marketing strategies. Thanks for watching.